I don't think so. I'm getting nervous. So now I forgot.
Okay.
So in Fictiv, people call me the bridge. I think that says about my superpower, about inspiring connections, connecting dots to see the big pictures.
I actually think they would say that I am sort of a jack of all trades, but a master of none. So I know a little bit about everything.
I'm a super connector. I love connecting people. I see great things happening. I'm able to look around corners and look over mountaintops and see things happening. And as a result of that, just kind of put people together to make beautiful things happen, to make outcomes happen for our customers and for our partners.
Oh, so you want to start again then?
Yeah.
Okay.